We've been working on number 71 in the Essential Elements Book 2. And I just want to give you a reminder before we play it that when you have a rest in the same measure as 16th notes, you will want to think one E and A during the rest to be able to play these at an accurate speed. Similarly, when you have a rest in front of eighth notes, you'll want to think one and so that these are played at the same speed. Watch out on this one. It'll feel slower than you want it to, especially in that next measure continuing on. Okay? So grab your instrument and get ready to play number 71 with me. Set yourself up with the F sharp. Since this starts on count 2, I will say one E and A, and then we will begin. Bow on the string. Just have to tighten it, sorry. Let's try that again. Set your F sharp up. One E and A. One E and A. One and. Still slow here. One and two and rest. Let's try that again because my guess is many of you played too quickly at the beginning of the second line. Here's back at the beginning. Set up your F sharp. One E and A. One E and A. One and. One and two and one E and A. One E and A. One and. Slow here. One and two and one and done. We're going to do number 71 again, but we're going to go a bit faster. So when we set ourselves up, when I say one E and A, it's going to be quite quick. One E and A. Okay, so you get an idea. So check your posture, check your bow hand, set up that F sharp. One E and A. One E and A. One and. One and two and one E and A. One E and A. One and. One and two and one and done. Now we're going to work on our combo packs. And just a reminder, these are eighth notes because they are connected with one bar. And these are 16th notes because they are connected with two bars across the stem. So down here we have one eighth note and two 16th notes. Since this eighth note is at the beginning, we are going to use one. And since these two 16th notes are at the end, we are going to use and A. So our counting is one and a two and a one and a two and a. And that helps us know how fast we should go with our bow. Look at number 72 and make your best bow hand and hold it up in the air. And I want you to bow in the air with the rhythm that you see printed in 72. I will say one and two and just to get us started. One and two and one and a two and one and a two and. Let's do that again because it can be awkward to all of a sudden have to go quick on those 16th notes. Stare at your music as we do this. So one and 2 and 1 and a 2 and 1 and a 2 and 1 and a 2 and a 1. Let's play this on the D string. No need to take the repeat. 1 and a 2 and. 1 and rest. Now let's do 73. Again, I'm going to just skip the repeat. Look at the combo pack. It is 1 and a, and then 2 and. Set yourself up. 1 and a 2 and. 1 and bow lift. I'm going to skip that repeat. Let's just go straight on to 74. I think you can tell these are not all that crazy. Set your high D, and I'm going to say ignore these staccatos. Just play them regular bow style. 1 and a 2 and. They may have tricked you on that rhythm in the third measure. Let's try it again. 1 and a 2 and. For the next several songs, we've got the combo pack that has 16th notes in the front. The reason I call these combo packs is it's a combination of 8th notes and 16th notes. So since the 16th notes are in the front, we've used the 1E, and since the 8th note is at the end, we have used the and. So this is 1E and, 2E and. Grab your bow, make your best bow hand. Look at number 75, and let's do this in the air. 1E and 2E and. 1E and, 2E and, 1 and, 2 and, 1E and, 2E and, 1 and, bow lift. Let's play 75 on the D string. I will say 1E and, 2E and we will begin. 1E and, 2E and. 1 and bow lift. What I usually find is that it's the long notes that are tricky. Students usually do just fine on the fast ones, but it's slowing down that causes the problems. Let's try 76, and this uses the exact same rhythm we just practiced. Get ready on the D string. 1E and, 2E and. Long bow lift. Let's just play that again. 1E and, 2E and. Let's do 77. Set yourself up on the high D. It is the combo pack that has the fast notes or the 16th notes in the front. 1E and, 2E and. Long. One more time on 77. 1E and, 2E and. Now look through number 79. Look in the first line, figure out which kind of combo pack there is. It's 1 and a, 2 and a. And then we have a long quarter note, and then we have a lot of 16th notes. Second line, it's 1E and, 2E and. So you have to really look where the sets of 16th notes are. Okay, so let's try this entire song without even practicing any little bits of it and see how many details your eyes can notice and that you can get right. Set up your F sharp. 1 and a, 2 and a. 1 E and a, 2 E and a. 1 and 2 E and. 1 E and a, 2 E and a. So when I'm playing during the rest and when I'm playing during a long note, I'm looking ahead and I'm thinking the rhythm that comes up next. Let's try that one more time. Bow on string. 1 and a, 2 and a. 1 E and a, 2 E and a.